Today I'm gonna give you a brief about Strand by Strand Cosmetic. Strand by Strand Cosmetic is the most advanced and sophisticated non-surgical hair replacement program. It's a lifetime program for clients they have suffered from hair loss and reached to advanced stage. It's specially designed to give them better hair than what they are born with. This is performed by the top hair experts, globally trained by Advanced Hair Studio, to give our clients the top result that allow them to live their life freely with full head of hair without if or but.